In this video, I want to show you where you can use JavaScript in Oracle Apex for client-side. I'm going to discuss about these parts, and it should be mentioned you can find all the code and explanation in an article I've written, and you can find the link of this article below the video in description if you like. So without wasting time, I'm going to start with JavaScript in Dynamic Action. So here I have a region. I go to the edit page, and then create a dynamic action. When you create a dynamic action, you have a lot of predefined events that all work with JavaScript. But in some scenarios, these predefined event of dynamic action may not meet your specific requirement, and for these type of scenarios, you need to create your custom event. So I want to focus on this type of dynamic action and discuss how we can create custom event. To implement custom event, you need to pass two steps. The first step is defining your custom event, and the second step is triggering your custom event. For the first step, for defining the custom event, just set a name for your custom event, for example, my custom DA. So for the selection type, you should select what will be used to trigger your custom event. Actually here, you determine that this custom event will be triggered with what? With an item or items, with a button, with region. So these are clear, but for JavaScript expression, maybe it's not bad that here I want to mention that here for JavaScript expression based on the help document, you should write something that return a single DOM object. So for example, when you write document as your JavaScript expression, you have a reference to the browser's document DOM object, and so by this way your custom event will be available globally across the document. So keep it in your mind, and let's go ahead by example, it will be more clear. So until now you define your custom event, just you should set the action that what you want to do when this custom event trigger. So for creating action, here you have some predefined action, and also by selecting execute JavaScript code, you have this ability to write your JavaScript code here. So for this example, I just want to have a simple alert that by triggering this custom event, I want to have this alert. We did the first step, so now we should go to the second step, triggering the custom event. For triggering your custom event based on Apex JavaScript API, you need a separate dynamic action that run this JavaScript code. So I create a button and then create a dynamic action. So I want to click, when I click on my button, execute JavaScript code. So I bring my code. So the first parameter is my JavaScript expression, and the second one is my custom event name. So I save it and run it. So when I click on my button, my custom event will be triggered, and you will see the alert. Let's continue discuss about custom event by the other example. Consider this scenario that you have an interactive grid or interactive report. For example, for depth table, the scenario is this: you want to, when you click on depth number, the value of the name assigned to an item. So I need an item, and I want to implement this scenario with custom event. So we said for custom event we need two steps. The first step is defining your custom event. So for defining custom event, I come here and set a name for this. For JavaScript expression, document is okay. What I want to happen, I want to execute the JavaScript code that the value of my JavaScript expression assigned to this item. So until now I defined my custom event. Now I should trigger this custom event. For triggering custom event, let's back to the scenario. I want, when I click on depth number, the value of the name assigned to this item. So I said I want to, when I click on depth number, so triggering my custom event should be happen when I click on this. But this dot value here refer to dname because I want to the value of dname. So this is my input parameter for my custom event. So I come to the depth number, I change the type as a link. Here I can change, here I can write my JavaScript code. So I want to pass dname to my custom event as a parameter, as input parameter. So if I click OK and save, you will see the result here. When I click on this, the value of dname assigned to this item.